What are you doing? Yeah. Guess what? Mama just realized she forgot to post a video to your channel yesterday. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna turn your back to me? You're so offended? Did you? She just pooped. She's so offended. Honey, this is Grandma's computer. You can't go pooping on it. Ugh. How am I gonna get that? Oh no. Oh, gross. Okay, we got it. Okay, we got it. No worries. I forgot to post on your channel. I totally forgot. Yeah, I got so busy. But we're gonna make a video right now. What you doing? Look at me. Face me. What are you doing? You gonna watch me play some card games? Oh no, she just really wants to go perch on those frames. You gonna go perch on those frames? You wanna perch on that family ancestors frame? That looks like a pretty good spot. Yep, there she goes. She's chewing on Jess. Hey. Yeah. You're such a weird bird. Hey. Honey. Sorry if that was loud. What are you doing? Hey, no. Not a chew toy. Totoro. Why are you such a dork? Watch, she's gonna go back. What are you doing? Hey, say hi to your fans. Oh, no, okay, she's fixated. She's fixated. And disappointed in Mama for not uploading a video yesterday, but that's okay. We'll just put this one up today. I don't know what to call it though. You know, what are you doing? Are there birdies out there? If she's fixated on one thing, I have to find something else for her to fixate on. Like, she was fixated on flying up there and chewing on that frame, so I brought her over to the window because I knew she'd be fixated on whatever's outside. Yeah, because you like looking out the window. What do you see out there? Yeah. Lots of good stuff? Yeah. You like looking out the window? Yeah. You like getting into trouble and chewing on frames? Well, she won't admit to that. Camp robber, or a magpie just flew by. Where'd he go? Where did he go? Yeah. Do you like watching the magpies? Yeah. Are they your friends? Oh, are they your enemies? Oh, I just learned something new. They're your enemies. Yeah. What are they doing on your property? You told them, get off my lawn. Yeah. If we go back to the computer, are you going to chew on the frames again? Oh, she doesn't want to admit to it, but she probably will. Yep, oh, yep, she probably will. Then we'll have to go find something else to do, huh? Huh. You can't go chewing up Grandma's frames. Those aren't your frames to chew. But you can look out the window. You gonna fluff? I love when they fluff how it looks like they're filling up with air. Their feathers poof out slowly and then floof. Okay, whoops. Wow, this minute's already been This video is already 4 minutes and 40 seconds long. That's a long video. I'm probably not going to edit it, so you want to say bye? Yeah? No? You done fixating on things? You gonna start preening? That's good. Then we can go play games. Okay, bye-bye. cute. Oh, that was a very rude goodbye. Oh, she's still fixated on the window. Okay.